عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم. أما بعد، فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وقضى ربك ألا تعبدوا إلا إياه وبالوالدين إحسانا. Worthy President, judges, respected teachers and my dear brothers and sisters, the topic of my speech in today's annual competition is the rights of parents. Dear Vadians, Islam has declared kindness to parents as its basic teaching, and Allah Almighty has nurtured human beings in different relationships. Some of them have been made fathers, some have been given the status of mothers, and some have been given the status of sons, and some have been given the pure relationship of daughters. The Almighty has determined their rights by making a relationship. It is not necessary to pay for each of those rights, but the right of the parents is mentioned by Allah Almighty in the Holy Quran. Immediately after his worship and obedience, he said, this is in indication that the greatest right in a relationship belongs to the parents. And Allah mentions that human beings must recognize their parents, and Allah the parents. This is second only to the recognition of Allah Himself in the Holy Quran. Allah Almighty beautifully explained, وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ أَلَّا تَعْبُدُوا إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا إِمَّا يَبْلُغَنَّ عِندَكَ الْكِبَرَ أَحَدُهُمَا أَوْ كِلَاهُمَا فَلَا تَقُل لَّهُمَا أُفٍّ وَلَا تَنْهَرْهُمَا وَقُل لَّهُمَا قَوْلًا كَرِيمًا. And your Lord has declared that you not worship except Him and two parents. Good treatment whether one or both of them reach old age youth, you say no to them, but speak them you mentions an expression of irritation, thus approval, and do not repel them, but speak to them the way of humility, out of mercy upon them as they brought be of small. Dear Vadians, in Holy Quran, respect of parents is mentioned about 11 times. Allah Almighty has mentioned in every instance to recognize and to appreciate, love and care that your parents even after they die. Such in Holy Quran, وَوَصَّيْنَا الْإِنسَانَ بِوَالِدَيْهِ حُسْنًا, and we have enjoined upon man goodness to parents. The children must pray for parents, seeing as Allah Almighty teaches us in the words, my Lord and Sustainer, be kind and have mercy on them as they cherished, nurtured and sustained me in childhood. From the words, we came to know that must continue praying for parents even after they die. Such prayer will be regarded as a continued charity, as the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam told us. As being grateful to Allah Almighty is a form of worship which earns divine rewarded. It can therefore be said that being grateful to also earns divine rewarded. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.